Hey! Welcome back to Someone.
Sailor Money.
Emma Montes.
And today we have our special musician guest.
Yeah.
Alex!
Hi!
Nice
So-
to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too in real life.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
So you like tea?
Yeah, I love tea.
Period.
Period.
Kan
Karena
Alex teh.
namanya, yeah.
But
Yeah.
teh is like your real name or
Yeah,
like
that's my real name.
Period.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so what
Wait, how?
relationship do you have with teh botol?
Well,
Terus kayak I own it. Terus kayak, oh,
bitch,
oh,
girl.
okay. Okay, hire us.
Sur.
well, my relationship with teh botol is non-existent sih.
Okay.
Oh, tapi do you like teh
But
But
botol?
I love teh botol.
Exactly.
I love to drink tea.
So
Yeah.
your name Alex teh.
Yes.
Teh is kayak teh.
Teh itu marga.
Wait.
Oh.
Yeah, like it's my
Apa
last
lo,
name.
Bay?
Okay, Slay.
I'm Jakarta. Like I'm born in Jakarta.
Okay,
Born
sorry.
and raised in Jakarta.
But like my mom and dad.
My mom and dad's from Medan.
Oh.
Kau crazy lo. Anak Medan, anak Medan yang berkumpul lah di sini lo. Ibuku orang dari Medan juga tapi dia tinggal di Jakarta.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Berarti-
What type of like Medan?
Bata.
Bata.
Aku
Okay.
Bata
Nama
Toba.
Esther.
Wester ini lo. Kami baru nenggolan loh. Kami jangan kau mancing-mancing aku loh, we. Kalau udah obrolan kayak
tapi
gini.
di sini kita tidak mau mengomongkan teh loh,
Iya
we.
kita dan juga kita nggak ngomongin marga ya teman-teman. Tapi ada hubungannya kenapa aku tanya karena our topic for the day ada berurusannya dengan who we are
Period.
dan juga semua logat-logat yang muncul dalam
Itu
tubuh
dia.
kita juga
Yes.
kayak ada hubungannya juga.
Yaitu adalah
Parents'
advice.
Itu
That
dia.
70% I probably don't take.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kayak dari advice parents yang paling gue tangkep
Mm.
dan terima adalah logat ketika mereka memberikan advice itu.
Okay.
So my mom Batak kan,
Yeah.
Batak total. Jadi
Cool.
dia kalau sedang memberikan advice, dia pasti dengan logat kan, logat Bataknya. Jadi kau jangan seperti itu, kau jangan tambah-tambah antingmu itu lagi kayak laki-laki kau.
Oh,
Jadilah.
begitulah.
Advice-nya gue buang, yang gue terima logatnya. Thank you, love you mommy.
Namanya selective hearing.
Selective
ya.
hearing, lumayan agak di-feel.
Selective hearing.
Yeah.
Iya.
Kamu gitu
Damn.
juga nggak with your parents advice like selective hearing?
Tunggu bentar, kamu berapa bersaudara sih?
Aku 2.
Ada
You're
kakak
the eldest.
I'm the eldest.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Period.
Okay, first
daughters.
daughters,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. It's hard. It's hard.
Girl,
You
tell me
know
about
the
it.
eldest daughter mentality is hard.
Girl.
Like, don't you feel like? Because like, okay, first like you're the oldest, and second that you're a woman, and like being a woman in like this world is so
It's
like
so hard.
hard.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
you know, so you get like the both worlds,
Yeah.
and it's just like yeah. But then yeah, I think like I follow my parents' advice,
Mhm.
but to an extent. Like
Of course.
like, you gotta live your own life, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean
Same.
like, kamu umur berapa?
I'm 24.
Oh my god, same.
You're 24?
Enggak lah sayang.
Coba kita doain aja ya, Emma tuh kayak
Episode ini adalah seberapa sering Alex kira gue bener, gue jujur.
Yeah.
Kayak gue bohong apa enggak sih? No.
I came on this podcast to be pranked.
To be
Iya,
pranked,
sebenarnya
exactly.
itu ya.
To be punked.
Exactly. Tapi
Iya.
kalau ngomongin parents, I tend to be like meskipun gue eldest daughter,
Yeah.
I tend to be like the rebel one.
Oh.
Karena kayak gue ngerasa adik gue, I have like one little sister.
Yeah.
Dia tuh yang kayak lurus parah gitu loh.
There's always that one.
Iyalah,
iya.
juga
Yeah.
adik gue juga.
Dia tuh kayak academically
Type
excel
A,
banget.
iya.
Iya, type A. Gue tuh malah type B. Jadi maksudnya biasa kan kayak kakak-kakak tuh kayak yang paling tua yang kayak lo tuh harus nurutin gue ya. Gue tuh kayak udah orang tua ketiga lu. Gue tuh ngurusin lu gini. Tapi kayak gue kayak what are you doing? Alright. Jadi kayak
Iya benar.
are you like that? Are you type A or type B?
I think I don't know actually. I think I'm both.
Oh.
I don't know if you can be a type C if you combine AB. Type AB.
Kalau type C
No,
mungkin iPhone 15.
Benar.
Atau mungkin Android kan.
Betul.
Gitu. Kalau misalnya misalnya 13 sih lightning.
Bener
Ya,
banget Kak. Apalagi kalau misalkan ada yang zaman dulu tuh aku nggak tahu nama bentuknya apa tapi agak gendut dikit.
Oh, kayak itu casan
Casan kipas. Itu juga bisa juga.
Iya, kipas bisa ya, weh.
But I get what you mean.
Ya,
Kamu
itu
ada
ukuran.
Like,
Iya.
I can be like really organized, but at the same time, like I'm also like I have my messy days.
Yes,
Yeah,
bener.
like I think type A is more like the ambitious type, right?
Ya,
I
betul.
think type B is more like chill.
Chill,
Like
yeah.
I'm definitely not a chill person.
Oke.
Like I've been trying so hard to be that chill person,
Oke.
but I don't think I have it in me. But the messy part
Iya.
ada.
Oke.
You know what I mean? I think I'm a less organized type A.
Oke. That makes
Yeah,
sense.
disorganized
disorganized
type.
Disorganized
yeah.
type A. I
Yeah,
feel
yeah,
like that
yeah,
should
yeah.
be a new type.
Oke.
No,
Yeah.
I
That's a new
completely
type here.
agree. Karena gue kayak ada momen-momen, okay, so I just resigned from my company.
Oh.
My company.
Oh,
Dude,
amen. You have a
amen.
company, girl. Period.
Exactly. Aku baru resign dari kantor.
Oh, okay.
So
okay.
jadi aku dari lulus sampai kemarin tuh ngantor. I thought I was a type A karena lini pekerjaanku tuh project management, jadi kayak everything has to be detailed, apa semua
Yeah.
segala macam
Cool.
kan. Resign, try to find my rhythm back, try to find myself selama sebulan. I am not type A.
Ah,
No, enggak
okay.
ternyata. Dan I kinda get what you mean karena kayak iya ambisius tapi kayak nggak se type A itu juga. Tapi nggak juga yang kayak chill. Alright.
Yeah.
Itu juga enggak kayak
yeah.
kalau Gemat bisa misalnya
Yeah.
kayak curhat tentang adiknya, terus dia bisa kayak aku tuh kayak gitu tapi ya bodo amat.
Iya.
Aku sering curhat sama Gemat kayak adik gue. Gue mesti gimana, terus Gemat yang kayak you should talk to her. Mager. Itulah.
Tapi
itulah.
fun fact kayak I think like our little sisters are kind of like very similar.
Oh
Ya,
yeah.
banget.
Iya,
Itu
jadi
lucu
kayak
banget.
kocak itu kalau misalnya kita curhat kayak tentang adik-adik kayak sama anjim.
Iya kayak
Oh.
wait.
So is
sama.
your adik like they're all like very type A?
Type A banget.
So type A. Me too, actually.
Your sister?
My brother.
Oh, your
Asli
brother.
tahu nih
Yeah.
adikku type A kan dia. Parah. Jadi asdos dulu, ya kan? Jadi asis. Sumpah jelas banget.
Kau crazy Kristabella.
Itu terus habis itu dia kayak aku Kristabella. Terus just kayak aku stres banget kuliah. Nggak ada yang suruh lu jadi asdos.
Gak ada yang nyuruh jadi
Oh tapi
asdos.
iya deng, gue karena dulu gue pas kuliah cabut. Gak cabut mulu.
Whoa. Whoa.
wait,
Following your
pengakuan.
parents' advice.
But I got A sama
Oh, okay.
I got A's
okay.
but like
Itu kalau kamu dulu kuliah gimana?
Aku ya type I don't know.
organized
Yeah,
type A.
I think I still get like A's but like very disorganized.
Iya benar
Iya,
ya kayak
iya.
aduh yang penting lulus.
Yeah.
Bukan yang
Ih,
kayak
gue
ambisi
lagi,
you wanna
guys.
achieve something.
I think I'm more of that. Like I wanna I'm really competitive in like academics.
Oh, right.
Tapi like I'm not like the type yang kayak when I study like it is just like one like structured. Like I will get everything and then like organize it myself tapi in my own brain. So it's like messy in there.
Oh.
Kamu Capricorn ya?
I'm a Leo. I'm a Leo.
How crazy.
What are you?
Juli Agustus.
Agustus.
How crazy. Tanggal berapa?
22. Why?
Leo 21 Agustus.
No way! Oh my god!
Menurut gue gila banget sih.
Ini makanya gue kayak tadi gue pengen nanya tapi nanti deh biar
Yeah!
Hey, oh my gosh.
Disorganized type A Leos. Okay,
Yeah.
over
Yeah,
here.
I think maybe that's why.
That's why makanya gue kayak wait, I get you.
Agak
okay.
sama ya, wey.
Wait, but you don't have any Capricorn in your
I don't know actually. I haven't tested it out.
You
Maybe I should.
You wanna?
After this podcast.
Jadi
Apa?
oke, di depan Emma ada laptop. Jadi
Oke.
kita akan
Ini
Apa sih?
kita 2
Langsung.
episode berturut-turut ya teman-teman
Iya,
ya.
tadi kita juga kayak membuka si cafe astrologi ini.
But
Do you know
okay.
your date of time of birth?
10:30 Wednesday.
Anjir, kenapa dia
Aku
mengetahuinya? Kau
aku jam
crazy.
10 pagi.
Oh iya?
Beda tahun kau crazy ya. Kau jangan sama-samakan kau, hey.
2001 kan?
2001.
Ya ampun.
Kalau lo emang tahun berapa?
2001 setengah.
Ini bukan menawar teh botol ya, weh. Kau crazy.
Jam 12.
10.
Jam 10.
10.30.
10.30. Oke.
Iya.
Whereabouts?
I don't know, in Jakarta.
Oke,
Jakarta.
yang penting Jakarta.
Birthplace-nya cuma kayak city. In
the city,
in the Yukon.
Api kapan never Yukon.
Yukon. Oh. No, shut the fuck up.
Okay,
Okay, so
What am I?
Baca.
so you're a Leo.
Okay.
Sun.
Your moon is Libra.
Oh.
Okay.
Our rising sign is the same. We're Scorpios.
Oh, Scorpio. Oh, that's a rising.
That's a rising. That's a rising.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't
Merkurinya
have any Capricorn ding. Aku salah. Mercury-nya Virgo, which is the same.
Oh.
Wait, my Mercury.
No,
my Mars is Virgo. My Mercury is Leo.
Okay. Jadi kalau Mercury is like the planet that rules communication
Oh.
and message and decoding. So that's like it's how you convey and like communicate.
Very
Convey
rapi.
messages and-
yeah,
and
very
communicate.
structured, bukan rapi. Very
Oh.
structured.
Do you like take that like structured writing in your music kayak songwriting? Kamu harus kayak
Oh.
terstruktur gitu nggak?
Actually, yeah.
Ya?
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh my God, that explains a lot.
Yeah.
Bisa jadi.
Yeah, because I'm always like verse, pre-chorus, and then chorus, and then bridge.
Gak bisa kayak loncat-loncat
Like,
gitu.
no. No.
Itulah perbedaanku, Mei.
Iya.
Gua gak bisa.
Karena lo Mercury-nya adalah
Pisces, aku lo berenang-renang di
Iya,
dalam
terserah
lautan
dia.
lagu itu, kau
terserah
babi.
dia.
Iya, terserah ya.
Your Venus is in Cancer.
Oh, what does that mean?
So Venus itu kan a planet of beauty, love,
And
passion,
aesthetics.
aesthetics. Wait, not passion, yeah, aesthetics.
Passion Mars
So
ya.
Cancer, you're very kayak gimana ya bahasanya ya, Wei?
So Cancer is like the mother of the zodiac sign. They're great feelers and nurturers.
yes.
So or maybe you
maybe,
see
yeah.
love as like a nurturing
Yeah, I think so.
partner.
I think so.
Period.
Kayak you feel pokoknya kalau udah ngomongin tentang love and beauty, you have to feel it in your core
Yeah.
for you to like it.
Yeah.
Kayak rasa soalnya. Jadi kayak
Right.
semua itu harus dirasa. Your aesthetic juga kayak harus kayak dirasa, nggak bisa kayak I don't know, do you follow trends? I don't think.
Not really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kayak
Tapi kayak
mesti
when it comes to like misalnya kayak pilih lagu gitu kayak oh which song should we put out next? Do you trust your gut feeling more or
You mean like when I write a song and I want to
Yeah.
put it out?
yeah, and
Yeah.
kayak I think this would be good.
Yeah. Yeah. For sure.
Instead of like kayaknya ini
strategi yang kayak ya
No,
ini kayak
no.
laku deh gitu.
Enggak sih.
gut
I
feeling.
think I just got feeling.
Yeah.
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 Oh
is
my
that why
gosh.
like the zodiac makes sense?
It could be.
It could be kayak itu jadi membantu kita untuk mengerti diri kita sendiri sih.
Yeah.
Maksudnya kalau dulu pas kita berdua grow up kan kayak ada majalah-majalah kayak zodiak
Yeah.
yang
Oh my God,
ramalan-ramalan
like Tiger
gitu kan.
Pop, beat, apa gitu ya? You guys
Terus
used
kita
to-
kayak
Nah,
udah tua.
kalau kita itu kalau kita
Gimana 2004? Gimana nih?
notaris komisi kok 1. Kalau kita bentuknya
Apa?
like literally majalah
Iya.
Bobo dulu namanya
I
atau
know Bobo,
kayak
ya.
Bobo emang ada zodiak.
ada nggak ada ya? Apa namanya? Gadis.
Gadis. Oh, iya.
Hai, kawanku,
Hai.
iya.
Hai itu kayak majalah cowok.
Iya.
Kayak ada.
Jadi kayak ada kayak ramalan for this week
Iya,
gitu-gitu.
jadi dulu tuh kayak we read things physically,
Yeah,
like
true.
on paper.
Yeah, yeah. Excuse me.
I have a written agenda.
Yeah, I have a written
Period.
agenda.
Kayak y'all
Yeah.
have your Google Calendar,
Yeah.
me
I
I
have a
write
pink-
that shit.
A pink pillow facts. Cause yeah, I'm not that like I feel like I'm a Gen Z, but like inside I'm like a millennial. You know what I mean?
Karena
I don't know. I just
every Gen Z says.
no really
No really.
No
Nggak,
way.
tapi kayak
no.
I think
I'm
like
serious.
seumuran
Oh,
kamu sih, seumuran
Yeah.
kamu ke atas tuh pasti bilangnya kayak gitu kayak I feel like a millennial. I
I'm
think
still
like
a
because
millennial.
transisi mungkin ya.
Yeah.
Kayak aku merasa aku kayak alpha.
Okay, what's the okay?
masih sekolah.
Gaya aku tidak menolak tua ya teman-teman ya. Jangan judge aku. Jangan judge aku.
Oh my God.
Iya.
No, but what do you think is the most millennial thing and that you guys experience? You know,
The most millennial thing.
Mom jeans.
mom jeans.
Oh wait, yes, true. Oh, skinny jeans berwarna-warni. That's the most
Yeah.
Sharoni. Kayak you know,
Disebut.
iya bener. Jangan menangis kau. Jadi dulu tuh
We're
ada
gonna cut
trennya.
that. We're
Iya,
gonna
iya,
cut
iya.
that.
Kebeep that. Jadi ada trennya tuh pakai jeans
Iya,
warna-warni
skinny jeans warna-warni.
gitu.
Tahu gak sih? Tahu
Oh,
Girls'
ini.
Generation gak?
Nah,
iya
Girls'
dong.
Generation
Iya,
zaman
tahu, tahu.
Gigi.
Iya,
So,
iya.
mereka kayak jeansnya mentereng
millennial thing, right?
warna-warni.
Yeah, yeah.
That was like so in. Dan
Yeah.
juga polem anjur.
Polem, yes. Actually,
Kau tahu
this
polem?
right now.
I like
My
kata
pon-
polem.
Polem itu poni lempar.
Poni lempar.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yes,
okay.
bener.
Yes, okay.
Iya.
You gotta give me like
Anjay.
the slangs, you know?
Yeah.
Iya.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Polem tuh berarti
Polem
slang.
tuh
It's a
it's a
slang.
millennial
Yeah.
thing.
Oh my god. Look at us.
Iya.
Old.
Hi old. Hi old. Anyways,
Okay.
jadi kita udah 15 menit. Bener
I'm
kan?
sorry,
Belum
I'm sorry.
bahas topik
Iya,
sama
bener,
sekali kita.
iya.
Nggak
Okay.
apa-apa.
Well,
Kita bisa go to the next one ya
Yeah.
kayaknya ya.
Okay.
are you close with your parents?
Yes.
No.
I am close with my parents.
How close?
How close? Iya.
Like,
Period.
Bener.
my mom's my best friend.
My mommy issues could never.
No, but like okay.
Yeah.
You're also okay. So kalau best friend tuh kayak you tell kayak
Her
stories
everything.
about like
I tell her
boys.
everything. Yeah,
Wow.
everything.
Oh, lucu
I
banget.
tell her she's like my best friend. So I tell her everything, like whether it's relating to like school or like boys or I don't know, like my career. And because like every time, like I think we make it like a daily routine. Like every time she would pick me up from school, like ever since I was really young, like really young, like SD,
Okay,
gitu. She would like sit in the car, and then she would always pick me up, like send me to lessons. Like she's always with me.
Oh, okay.
But even though I have mbak and stuff, like when SD, tapi like her first question, like every time she picked me up from school, is like, what's the gossip?
Huh?
Yeah.
Itu Emma as a mother.
She always
No,
say that.
I
Yeah.
gue tuh pengen banget nanti kalau misalnya gue punya anak,
Yeah.
I want my kayak daughter atau son atau like thought daughter.
I thought.
My thought daughter to like
Hey.
goes with me.
Yeah, yeah.
Iya, seru banget.
Every time, yeah. So
Seru sih.
yeah.
Oh my god, you're blessed. Honestly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm so blessed.
honestly.
Like I'm so grateful for my mom. Cause like every time we, like for example, we sit in the car,
Mhm.
like she'd be like, "Hey, what's the gossip?" And then she will be updated. So it's not just she leaves it. So like for example, I tell her like, "Oh my god, this thing happened in school today." Like for example, it's like, "Oh, I got like how many on my test?" Like kan before kan the gossip was like that. Like
Iya.
because I'm not really involved like with the drama in school, but when there is like drama involved in school, like thank God it's not like to do with me. Like
Yeah.
it's always to do with something else.
Yeah.
So we always keep it between us, and then it's always like I tell her everything, and then she would like remember the story. So like for example, yesterday aku
Okay,
cerita ini, terus next day she follow up like how about this gitu, like what happened to this gitu. So we are really close in that way until now. Yeah.
Cute, that's
so
cute.
sweet.
Me and my mom we got closer tuh I think like sejak COVID.
Oh, okay.
Kayak COVID kesananya kayak aku jadi deket banget sama nyokap to the point sekarang we goss about
Yeah, it's so
everything
cute.
together. Kayak nyokap gue sekarang kalau ngomong juga kayak gimana lo, Bay?
No, the fact that your mom is an Omega 3 is crazy.
What is that? Like
Oh,
fish?
Omega 3 is like
Our-
our viewers, our community.
Yes,
Oh, hi, Omega 3.
Exactly.
Oh, that's what. Oh.
Exactly.
That's so smart.
Yeah. Thank you. I mean like
Dang.
dari banyaknya yang dari hitungan jari yang kita bisa, kita bisa bikin itu.
Bisa bikin itu.
Bisa bikin itu.
ya.
Well, berarti life advice and then goss. So your mom is your go-to.
Yeah.
Your
100%. Yeah. Even her best friend is me. So like you know when you're each other's best friends, it's like
Yeah.
a different thing, right?
Wait, tapi
Yeah.
kamu sama mama kamu umurnya berapa?
When
Your
did
mom
she have
umur
you?
berapa?
Yeah.
Huh.
She's like 50 something. 50.
Okay, so she had you pretty young, yeah. Not pretty young.
No.
Actually, in those times, that was like appropriate time.
Iya.
Yeah.
Sekarang kesana
Maybe like
kayak
30, right? She had me or 29.
Iya, kayak
29
20s.
kayaknya.
20s
Iya.
juga gak sih?
29, I
20s.
think.
What? That's
Okay.
that's like
Yeah,
my
yeah,
mom.
yeah,
I
yeah.
think my
Yeah,
mom
mom
had
juga.
me when she was 27.
Iya.
Yeah. Habis itu Karina kayak pas she was 30.
Oke.
So I'm like, slay.
But I
Yeah.
feel like my mom's the cultured mom. Like,
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Okay, so like, do you know the show The Summer I Turned Pretty?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you
Tapi
watch
nggak
it?
Nggak
Oh,
nonton,
no.
kita nggak nonton.
Okay, so like there has been like, Conrad and Jeremiah.
I know the
Yeah.
Conrad
Yeah,
Jeremiah.
the two brothers.
Yeah.
Like at first she was like, I don't want to watch this stupid show, like because it's so like a teenage rom-com, like, but I love it. Like I love it. Me and my cousin would watch it every week. Okay, we would sit in the TV like, oh my god, it's the next episode, right?
Right.
And then tiba-tiba like out of nowhere she comes up and she's like, so what happened in this episode? Like you watched it without me? Like she knows that, and then it will come up in her reels or FYP, and she would ask me like, yeah, the real actor like is ini gitu, and I was like, how do you even know that? Like I don't even know that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She knows all
and for
the
example, like
goss.
when Timothée Chalamet and Kylie Jenner got together,
Yeah.
like she knew before me. Like that's crazy.
Mama, that's crazy. Mama,
That's crazy.
you probably watched us
Yeah.
kayak
Iya benar.
di shorts.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah.
Iya, a lot of ada beberapa sih kayak moms yang nonton
Iya.
kita, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Guys,
good. Mom, watch
Kayak
this.
high cultured
Your
moms.
daughter's here.
She watches all my stuff.
Aku
So,
mas.
yeah.
Oh, cute.
Komen ya tante, thank you.
Terima kasih tante, tolong subscribe tante, thank you. Tapi iya, gue tuh
Yeah,
kalau advice, do you go to your mom for advice? At least like a topic.
Yeah.
I think when I need help
Oke.
with like apa ya? misalnya.
Dokter,
Oh, yeah. No.
enggak ya?
If it's like a health thing, I usually go to my sister because she's like, the
Yeah.
like type A yang kayak misal tuh kalau misalnya gue lagi kayak sakit, misal keram lagi dapet gitu ya. Gue bakal nanya kayak, Carl, which ibuprofen should I take gitu. Terus kayak dosisnya berapa? Terus yang kayak, okay, have you read like the packaging? Tapi ini di online sih bilangnya gini gitu. So I'm just like, okay, doctor, period. I go to my mom for food.
She knows good food.
Mamaku itu ya, dia tuh suka jajan loh, Bay.
Iya.
Jadi
yeah?
dia tuh kayak even like in her own like friend circle, like she's the one who would like know like where the best food is.
Iya.
Jadi kayak dulu tuh kayak my mom and dad, they're pretty like, they love like food adventures.
Oh, nice.
And that's why kayak sekarang I feel like I have like a good range of like experiences with like a lot of cuisines. I'm not scared to try new things. Karena mereka juga adventurous with food. Yeah, that's it.
Maybe like that, yeah.
But like lately, because like she's getting old, kayak terkadang I just like make small talk. Kayak, mom, like which shoes should I wear?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, that's cute, weh.
Yeah.
Well, advice gue tuh nyokap gue. I don't look for my mom for advice, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
I tell stories, and then she would give me unsolicited advice,
Yeah,
which is
that's a given.
yeah, that's a given. Tapi suka bener.
Okay.
Oh,
Jadi kayak sometimes
Slay.
like,
slay.
okay moms, like okay don't read me. Kadang kadang gue suka kayak gitu. Ke nyokap gue kayak, stop reading me, mom. Kayak stop.
What about your dad though? Like, are
My
you also
dad.
like close with your dads?
I think I'm less close with my dad, just cause like he works a lot, so he
Okay.
like comes home like really late and stuff. But now he's coming home like early. But also like sometimes like there's that language barrier. But I'm still close to my dad in different things.
Mm-hmm.
Like because I'm like my like I don't know how do you say like daddy's daughter gitu.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
Like, yeah. So I think when, for example, like I need like fixing stuff, probably
yeah,
I'll
yeah,
ask my
yeah.
dad.
Yeah.
Or like for example, if there's chichak on the wall, like me and my mom could never.
Okay.
Like so, I would just like ask my dad,
Okay.
and then what else do I ask my dad for? Like to living cost.
Okay.
What else do I ask my dad? A lot of things I ask my dad for, like business wise.
Mm-hmm.
Like I would ask him for advice, like
Okay.
work advice. I'll ask
Yeah.
my dad.
Mm.
But for my mom, it's more like emotional advice.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so cute.
And also like music advice juga sih. Like I would ask my mom, but I would never like let my parents hear my songs first. Like I would,
Itulah.
yeah, you know what I mean?
course, yeah.
Like I would send it to someone first before
Yeah.
like my parents, but my parents are
Yeah.
always like
No, yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
so
Period.
advice wise, yeah. I think
Ya lu kayaknya, lu juga kalau musik sebagai sesama musisi ya,
Mhm.
you don't Show your parents juga kan?
Enggak, malu.
Yeah, right? Like malu kan?
Malu.
Ya malu. Iya.
Paling kayak suka ditanya-tanya gitu kayak, mana kamu kemarin rilis lagu yang mama liat di Instagram? Enggak. Tapi suka dimarahin gitu. Kayak waktu itu one time like my friend ask kayak, oh your mom already knows gimana what does your mom think? Kayak I haven't shown her. Kayak, how could you? Kayak kasih tahu lah, she'll be proud. I'm like, I know, but she would just like share it to her like her friends. Isn't that the point?
Yeah, that's the point.
Kayak, oh, I don't know, that sounds like pretty vulnerable. Just kayak malu.
Iya.
Itu saja.
Gue dulu suka kayak gitu sama Salmon with our podcast.
Right.
Cause like tetap malu kayak I mean like we talk shit.
Yeah.
Kayak my mom will hear me cuss
Yeah.
here on YouTube.
Yeah.
Kayak gitu kan. Jadi kayak kadang enggak deh. Awal-awal tuh pas kita kan sebelum kita nggak di YouTube kan di Noise. So like my mom doesn't know how to use Noise. So I'm like atau kayak nggak tahu, nggak ke-expose sama Noise. Jadi kayak I'm fine with it, kayak I will talk shit gitu kan. Saya masuk YouTube and then I told her karena kan now it's our full-time job. Jadi kayak sometimes letting your parents know what you're doing kan bagus ya. Buat mereka to get kayak where you at in life gitu. Jadi aku kasih tahu lah ya kita lagi ada di YouTube segala macam. I forgot the fact that now even my dad watch YouTube. So like now my dad can watch me. But I don't think I don't know. Tapi kayak jadinya wah itu awalnya gue juga kayak gue malu banget kalau misalkan nyokap lagi buka TikTok, ada suara gue muncul, gue kayak,
oh my god, that's the worst thing. That's the worst thing.
Nyokap gue juga suka kayak gitu, di kamar mandi kayak keras gitu ada suara kita lagi ngakak, gue kayak,
iya exactly. Gue awalnya malu.
Kacau.
Girl. Tapi pernah nggak? Ini kan maksudnya kayak be vulnerable tentang karya kalian di orang tua kan?
Iya.
Pernah nggak lagi kumpul keluarga besar tiba-tiba tante kalian yang datang muncul?
lo pernah kayak gitu coy?
Tante gue, kamu muncul terus di shorts auntie. Maksudnya gini, me and my aunt kayak we're close, we're tight. Tapi kayak nggak sampai kayak that tight to like you watch my content. Dan dia nggak punya social media, yang dia punya YouTube. Jadi dia kemarin kayak, ini kita lagi makan-makan keluarga di rumahku, terus tanteku tiba-tiba ngomong kayak gitu, dan semua sedang lagi kayak hening. Jadi semua topiknya tentang salmon di keluarga besar. Terus kayak,
hey tante.
Hai. Tapi kayak
jangan lupa subscribe.
Tapi jadinya sekarang
Shout out.
Kayak shout out
auntie period.
Tapi kayak sekarang jadinya apa ya? Kayak sekarang I understand. Kayak it makes them happy ternyata. Jadi kayak ya udah, bangga deh. Jadi kayak ya udah deh. Kayak ya udah deh gitu. Malu gitu.
Malu, iya.
So like tapi ya bener sih kayak pasti sedekat-dekatnya sama orang tua pasti ada kayak
Betul.
Ada bagian kayak vulnerable
Iya.
Sampai
Bener
keretan
sih.
lo dia lo.
Iya nih aku kepanasan ya.
Gak apa-apa ya Wey. Gak apa-apa Wey. Well, did your parents kayak sering kayak suka kasih ide kayak ke musik kamu apa segala macam gitu nggak?
Yes. But then like I don't really take it.
Mamaku suka banget Salmon kalian harus ngomongin tentang ini.
Yeah, right. But like, do we really like There was this
really
one
have to?
song like in my EP. I just released an EP, right?
Yes. Shout out.
Apa namanya?
It's called In My 20s.
Free.
Stream In My 20s by Alex Teh right now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There was this one specific song that my mom thought like, oh, maybe you shouldn't release it,
Oh.
right? Because like it's so like, are you sure you're gonna release this? But what if like for example, the person I write about really know it's about like this person or whatever, right? But that's the point of music. You're supposed to be vulnerable and honest, and like as long as you're not dissing someone, then like they're not dissing hardcore, you know?
Yeah.
But like.
Unless like you're Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah.
And like Drake.
Yeah.
Like whatever you do.
Slay. Yeah. But then, so basically the song, she didn't, at first she was like, oh, you should play that, this. And I put it out anyway, because I didn't take like the advice, right? Because I felt like I really need this to be out, because it just perfectly matched the EP sonically, like the sound, the music. Like, I felt cocok banget sama EP. And then after that, when I released it, like she said, like actually I really love this song.
Oh.
See, sometimes like it could be like.
Oh iya,
They're just not, like,
kebalikannya.
yeah, you know, sometimes like parents are really cautious and like, which is a good thing.
Iya
But if
betul.
you really like trust your gut, then like that's a risk that I have to take.
Iya sih,
Ya,
bener.
Yeah.
And sometimes your gut feeling is like mostly right.
Yeah.
Iya benar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dan
Jadi
kadang kayak
slay.
mungkin mereka cuman kayak punya apa ya, kayak kebiasaan to protect aja
Yeah,
kayak
yeah.
gitu.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak jangan nak.
Oh.
Padahal kayak nggak apa-apa mama, let me be.
Period.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Iya
emang harus
sih.
ada good cop bad cop sih.
Iya
Yeah.
benar.
Harus kalau misalnya emang ada gas, ada yang ngerem juga. I think that's kenapa
Betul.
gue ikutan gerak.
Oh itu lagi setir ya,
Aku
weh, driver.
Adalah supir itu
Tapi-
ya. Maaf loh, Bang.
Kalau selain musik ada nggak kayak advice yang you remember, like memorable yang kayak gue nggak ngikutin lagi atau kayak lo
Gak denger. Apa
Iya, kayak
what kind of advice? That's the first time hearing it.
Yeah.
I've never heard it before.
exactly.
Apa ya? I don't know. Like,
Oh, do your parents give you dating advice, kayak good dating advice?
yeah sih. Even
Hey.
though that I don't follow it sometimes.
Like
Tapi
what?
actually they do give like really good dating advice. Like for example, like apa ya? Kayak a lot of things tapi I can't really point out. Like it's just like as you're dating, like they kind of just know.
My mom
You know what I mean? You have like
Yeah.
a sixth sense.
would
Oh.
give
Yeah.
me advice dulu.
What's your dating advice?
My mom,
Yeah.
tapi oke, mind you my mom is an Aries, oke?
Okay.
Bu Esther.
Jadi Bu Esther, dia sama persis sama Gemat, cuman dia April.
Period.
Dia setiap kali ketemu Gemat kayak kita kan sama-sama Aries. Stop. Kenapa ketemu? Gue bilang kenapa ketemu Gemat dia tiba-tiba astrologi banget.
Iya.
Sama gue dia diem. My mom would say kalau lagi single, don't date just one guy. Kayak go on dates.
Slay.
I have a
Slay.
best friend,
Yeah.
Aries,
Yeah.
who is exactly like that.
Oh yeah. Oh
yeah.
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 Like,
I mean,
we know, sis.
We know, sis.
Oh, itu gue
I'm like,
cerita.
I'm like, yes.
Oh my god. we have
Okay,
to
why
update
does it
about that.
sound familiar?
Yeah, why does it sound familiar?
Right.
Familiar.
Like I see this every day.
Ya juga ya Gemma.
Yeah.
Iya juga.
Soalnya why
Okay.
Alex is like acting like this? Karena itu kayak when I was pas gue udah cabut belum ya? Gue tuh ke Bali, lo ikut gak sih?
Yang kemarin? Enggak, yang terakhir enggak.
Oke, yang terakhir gue ke Bali itu kayak gue, Alex sama Rara, we were like sunbathing and just
Okay.
enjoying the pool. Jadi kita cerita-cerita gitu,
Okay.
termasuk ceritaku kau Bam.
Ini yang mana? Oh.
Ya pokoknya in general
Okay.
aja, karena kayak I talked about like, oh ya kayak gue, I'm like single now,
Yeah.
Yeah.
gitu. Cause like Rara was like she announced something, so
Yeah,
we're just
yeah.
like gitu deh.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was really informative. Yeah.
Was it educative? No.
Yeah.
No. Informative?
Yes. So yeah, my mom would say that. Sedangkan aku tipe orang yang nggak bisa go. Maksudnya gini ya, go on dates, yes,
Yeah.
but like talking to like to having like a big roster tuh aku nggak bisa.
Why is that?
I don't know, I just kayak
What's
kalau
that?
misalkan
Like, what?
iya kayak misalnya
I'm just wondering.
iya, it's okay.
Like, it's a genuine question.
Kayak-
It's okay.
Like,
I just
well,
no. Kayak, I just Gak bisa coy, gue tuh kayak oke, misalnya kayak gue go on 3 dates.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go on 3
Not the
dates.
same day.
Gak ada same day dong.
dong.
Capek enggak lah.
Oh.
Gak pernah.
Capek,
Terus
woy.
capek woy. Terus ketemu 3 temen dalam satu hari yang bersamaan aja kayak aduh capek banget ya
Iya,
Allah.
bener
Back to
lagi.
back. Jadi misalnya ngedate sama 3 cowok. Terus habis itu ngobrol-ngobrol. And then I like this one guy more daripada
Yeah.
yang lain. Automatically kayak nggak perlu ngabisin waktu, gue kayak ya udah gue ngobrol intens sama yang satu ini aja, sisanya yang lain ya udah gitu. Sedangkan what my mom advice dia ke aku adalah nggak, jalanin aja, ngobrol aja sama semuanya.
Yeah.
Until like you really, biasanya kalau kayak gitu bahkan dari semuanya kamu mungkin gak suka semuanya. Terus I was like, oh, that's a waste of time for me.
That's true.
Gitu.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak
Yeah.
ya itu advice yang mamaku kasih. Aku gak pernah dengar. My dad never gave me love advice.
Okay.
Oh terakhir deh dia
yeah.
kasih love advice. but I forgot. Tapi it was like
Selective hearing.
selective hearing.
Selective
Tapi itu
hearing.
agak lumayan kayak that's deep gitu.
Yeah, yeah.
Advice for my current relationship right now, tapi gue lupa lagi anjir apa. Tapi kayak lumayan deep gitu yang kayak dia tuh apa sih something about like going through problems or something gitulah.
Okay.
Terus kayak oke. Tapi ya my mom itu yang paling iconic sih. Itu yang
Yeah.
paling memorable. Gue kayak
Mm.
sure mom. Kayak
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
girl.
Yeah.
Bokap lu pernah nggak?
Gak.
Yeah.
Nyokap nggak pernah.
I don't know, cause like I don't go to them for like dating advice.
Tapi kan maksudnya mereka pasti penasaran dong kayak.
Enggak.
Serius?
They don't wanna know. Mereka cuma pengen di-update gitu. Karena kalau misalnya gue ngeliat blueprintnya, yaitu adek gue, literally kayak the first time that she introduced her husband pas mereka masih pacaran, was like at her graduation, karena kayak dia kuliah di Liverpool, and they've been together for like a year. Terus dikenalin langsung ke keluarga karena kita terbang ke Liverpool untuk graduationnya kan, jadi kayak keluarga langsung ketemu gitu sama pacarnya. Nah jadi kayak langsung dikenalin, terus kayak exposure therapy aja gitu si Karina kayak,
Yeah.
cause like she learned from my cousin who married like a Scotland man. Hi Jamie, hi Astrid.
Yeah.
Terus kayak si Karina tuh ngerasa kayak, aduh gimana nih bukan orang Indonesia lagi, this guy that I fell in love with and have a relationship with. Jadi kayak gue cuma melihat aja kayak gerak-gerik mereka kayak gimana, dan kayak bokap nyokap gue cuma kayak he's nice, kayak oh dia effort ya untuk kenalan sama keluarga dan deket gitu. Jadi gue kayak gue kan selalu menjadi kayak buffer gitu loh di keluarga tuh. It's either I'm like the jester, the buffer, or the middleman. That's me. Jadi kayak gue lebih ke as long as everyone's happy, I'm okay.
Oke.
Gitu. Jadi kayak I never really like go to them for advice. Terkadang if I have like kesulitan dalam pekerjaan atau kayak how to deal with like people at work, I would go to my dad.
Oh yeah, we were once kayak lumayan consult kayak me with my dad and then you with your dad juga kan.
Iya, yang kayak how did we go about this?
Kayak,
Yeah.
ada business decisions.
Yeah, just same just like you.
Yeah.
Kayak
Yeah,
kalau
I
misalnya
guess
buat
so.
kayak business decisions, then I would go for my dad, because like he's been in corporate for like all his life
Yeah,
gitu
yeah.
loh. Jadi kayak
Yeah,
of course
true.
dia punya leadership advice,
Yeah.
social advice juga, because he's like I'm basically carbon copy of him. Jadi kayak I'm very like sociable and I deal with a lot of people, dan dia juga gitu. Jadi
Yeah.
I get like a lot of advice on that. But dating, nobody has to know. Nobody needs to know. Nobody's gonna know. They don't go find out. Period. Thank you.
Period.
Yeah. No, but my dad's the opposite. Like I don't ask my dad for dating advice. He just gives me.
Unsolicited, right?
Yeah.
Kayak apa?
Proaktif ya,
Like,
proaktif.
Proaktif bener aktifnya bun.
Yeah, it's not like that we like, for example, I never like ask
Mhm.
for dating advice. Like for example, maximal curhat, like for example if I have problem.
Right.
Tapi it's not like what should I do after that? Like they like even sometimes like literally just yesterday,
Uh-huh.
like he gives me advice every day of like dating advice. Tapi I don't ask for it.
Iya.
Like I don't ask for these advices.
Yang kemarin apa?
They just give like it's like
Berarti kayak dating advice of the day.
dating advice. Make sure that you don't like all the time pacaran, because like if you keep pacaran all the time, padahal like it's not that like pacaran all the time gitu loh. Kayak I think it's more like he just wants to make sure that like we still have, for example, if I was dating a boy, like make sure jangan ini ya, don't always focus on yourself first gitu. Like
Oh,
always,
yeah.
because at the end of the day kayak you have a career to like go forward. So if I want to date a boy, like make sure that the boy is like supporting you gitu.
Oke.
Yeah.
Ya,
Kayaknya kayak
It's like every day.
ya, but like every day itu agak lumayan
Yeah.
kayak
Sorry.
lagi ngitung umur pasti.
Enggak.
Apa?
DAD, dad.
Apa?
Dating advice daily.
Period. You should make that into a content.
Period.
I
Yeah,
think.
I'll just
Yeah.
bring my dad in for a podcast. What do you think?
Atau kayak in the background gitu.
Yeah.
Kayak
Kayak-
papa kamu nggak bisa muncul tapi kayak suaranya ada, so kayak
Iya.
okay thanks dad.
Yeah.
Kayak
Kayak,
okay for
okay.
everyone, mungkin yang lain.
Sometimes he will like peek into calls. Like, I mean, for example, you're like, I don't know, FaceTiming or whatever.
Yeah.
Like, who are you seeing? Or you're trying to date someone, and then like he'll be like, "Hi." In the middle of it sometimes.
Hi. What?
Like, what are you doing? And then I'll be like, yeah, I'm just talking to a person. And then like, yeah. You know, yeah.
Lewat gitu di belakang bapak kamu.
Yeah, lewat. And then he's like,
Halo.
tidur ya.
Yo,
Yeah.
I could never be caught in that
Nggak pernah sih.
situation because I don't
Nggak
take
pernah
calls in front of my
sih.
parents. I'm so sorry.
Iya sih, especially
Like, my
from
life
a
is so
male.
private. Period.
Male.
Unless
Especially
it's like
from
our
a
male
male.
friends.
Iya, tapi like from a man.
Amen.
Amen. Amen.
Period.
But how do you have you
Yeah.
ever like envisioned yourself kayak kalau jadi parents kamu bakal kayak apa?
Yeah, what's up, a mom?
Honestly, I think I'll be like my mom.
Oh.
But not like as apa ya? Kayak I think my mom sometimes like she gets like a bit anxious.
Mhm.
Okay.
But I feel like I'm not that anxious, but maybe I will be.
Ooh.
Because I feel like apa ya? Kayak but I want to be like my mom if I was a parent. If
Yeah.
that makes sense. Because like I want to have like very close relationship with my kids,
Yeah.
and
Mm.
like I want to be that mom that like, oh, what's the gossip? Like, you know, like I want to be a cool mom. Yeah, my mom's definitely a cool mom.
Gemas.
Yeah.
Gemes banget tante.
Well, I also wish to be a cool mom. I hope my dogs think
Yeah.
I'm a cool mom. Thank
you. Iya. I think iya sama lagi kayak
But I feel like you guys are already certified cool moms because you already have a podcast.
well yeah.
Yeah,
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 At this
Used to
point,
be-
if we had
yeah.
children, they'll be like, ew, my mom has a podcast with her best friend. Ugh, that's so lame.
Exactly, kayaknya iya deh.
Child!
Tapi
No!
tapi kayaknya aku tuh pasti pengen kalau punya anak, I wanna do things with my daughter atau kayak son, jadi kayak belanja atau
Yeah,
apa
yeah,
kayak
of course.
spend time together yang activities gitu kayak seru
I think it's really fun.
Fun. That's
Iya,
how I
kayak
bond with my dad.
kulineran.
Yeah.
Iya kan?
Yeah. Thank you, Dad, because you made me an adventurous little person. Rest in love. Rest in love.
Let's in love.
Alex, thank you so much for being on
you
the
so
Salmon.
Bener-bener tapi topik kita tuh kayak a bunch of like high school kids lagi kayak nginep bareng, terus yang kayak
Yeah.
bokap
Yeah, it's a
lo,
sleepover.
nyokap gue kemarin
That's so cute.
cerita.
Yeah.
Seru sih.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Thank you so much.
Di
Yeah, we
kamar
hope you had
princess
fun.
ini.
Di kamar princess ini yang tadi Alex kayak, oh my god, so cute, so pink. Aku lah perempuan
Alex,
itu.
kamu baru merilis karyamu, silakan ceritakan ke Omega 3.
Hi Omega 3. Hi all you fish oils.
Hi Scott's Emulsion.
Anyway,
Anyways.
I just released an EP called In My 20s, and it's about living your life in your 20s. Each of the songs have like different topics that maybe you tackle when in this kind of era,
Period.
and like some songs are about chasing your dreams and leaving leaving everything behind to chase your dreams.
Period.
Maybe prioritizing yourself, or kaya if you feel like even the heartbreak is there's like breakup songs there finding yourself songs there's like young and wild free songs there as well. And I don't know, like I feel like you guys should listen to it
Period.
because
Period.
yeah, period. Like it's very girlhood vibes. Like if you want to feel like you're a main character in your life, you should probably listen to that. Like when you wake up, if you play like the songs, you really want to start the day.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Period.
Period.
you.
Oh wait, you can find me in my socials.
Oh,
Should I
yeah.
say that.
It's
Okay.
here.
Please.
I'm gonna put it here. Period.
Period.
Ini adalah socials dari Alex.
Yeah, and this is our social. I mean, you're here.
yeah, so you better know
Subscribe.
you better follow us already. Thank you so much, Alex, for coming.
so much, Emma and Goma.
for coming in Yap with us.
Yes, and thank you so much, Omega 3, for watching, and we'll see
Thank
you
you, Omega
next
3.
week.
Bye.